high-stepping strutters who land in the gutter sometimes need one too.